Absolutely. I'll take care of the intro slides and I'll hand it back over to you, Jen.
Perfect. Thanks, Marty.
Excellent. Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to our session, Back to Your Future. Time travel reveals how AI, SaaS, and automation work out for your organization. We've got our own Doc Brown working on some enhancements to the GT DeLorean. In just a few minutes, he's going to...
Hey, this is my session. Why don't you two make like a tree and get out of here?
I think you mean leave.
What did you say?
It's make like a tree and leave.
Hello, McFly. That's what I said. Calling me stupid?
Whoa, it looks like the last session's not over yet. You go ahead.
Yes.
Hello, fine people. So this enterprise software thing, it's really not that hard, okay? I know you're not complete idiots, like these two dweebs, right? You understand all you really gotta do to solve all your problems is get to the cloud, right? Still using an on-premise system? Well, too bad. Look, you just need to get to the cloud. Don't put another dime into your PeopleSoft system. It's all throwaway anyway. You worried about high volume business processes and lots of manual effort? Well, the easy answer is get to the cloud. People who are a lot smarter than, some really smart people have already figured out the best way to do things. No one gets fired for following the crowd, am I right? Just do it their way. You want to know what to do about AI? You can stop worrying about it. Just get to the cloud. All the cloud platforms, they got a chatty thing like icons. They do it for you. You're fine. No need to strain your brain. You can just use what they give you. Because who knows what's best for you? They do. And I do too, of course. Don't know the best way to get to the cloud? Well, I got a solution there. BT Consulting is here to help you. And let's face it, do what you should have done a long time ago. Just take out a mortgage on your biggest building. I got a methodology, 2 to 5 years. We call it lift and biffed. And we'll yank your sad, sorry data out of that on-premise system. We'll put it into the cloud, right? We'll cut off all the loose ends or limbs. You'll be golden. Are you already on the cloud? Some of your processes aren't as effective as they used to be? Don't worry. Pretty soon, everybody's going to be on the cloud. You're all the same. No one will have a disadvantage or advantage. And if things aren't quite working the way you want, well, hey, Biff and BT Consulting will be here for you. We got a proven process where we can turn your cash into accounts payable. So, I'll give you guys about 5 years. I'll see you then. Good luck. And I'm out. Later, losers.
Wow, that was interesting. Well, let's get back to our session. Back to your future.
Great Scott! Marty! You guys, I just got back from 2029 and it's a mess. I'm telling you, everything's messed up. You guys are gonna have to do something to fix it.
What, did something terrible happen to us? Or to our kids?
No, it's not you, it's not your kids. It's your clients, Marty. It's your clients. We gotta do something about your clients.
That's terrible. What can we... Oh.
Except the problem is they're not really your clients anymore. They've all gone off with this other outfit. It's Biff 10 and BT Consulting stuff.
Wait, Biff? Biff was just here presenting.
Biff was here? Great Scott! He must have stolen the time machine while I was at Taylor Swift's comeback concert. What did he say? What did he say?
Oh, well, it's just the conventional wisdom that we hear all the time. Just get to the cloud, some SaaS platform, it'll all work itself out, it'll fix all your problems, etc., etc.
I mean, he was a way bigger jerk than that.
Oh, man. Well, whatever he said, it's messed up the timeline big time. I mean, let me give you an example of what happened. Is Kelly Heiser here from North Dakota University System?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, come here. I've got a message for you from your future self from 2029. Your future self from 2029. Ah, where'd you go? Oh, we're back to Biff. What a terrible
We're getting there.
Hey, hold on.
Next time.
I know I brought it back from the future. Just a second.
Hi, Kelly. This is Kelly from 2029. See? Things are great at home, but they are terrible at work. We listened to Biff and stopped improving PeopleSoft years ago when we started planning our SaaS implementation. Now the SaaS project is taking forever, and the users are stuck with a rusty old PeopleSoft experience that hasn't been improved in 5 years, and they are depressed. We're trying to get them to focus on the new SaaS product, but the drive to innovate has just died. So we keep defining down the success criteria of the SaaS project just to get it live. We make efforts to improve our business processes as we move them to the cloud, but Biff just keeps telling us the software can't do that. We never could decide on a true enterprise AI strategy, and we have been waiting to see what the SaaS platform gave us, so users around campus are now using a jumbled mess of limited tools and unreliable generative AI solutions. We're dealing with multiple lawsuits because one department stood up a chatbot that disclosed sensitive information, and another that has just been making stuff up. 2024 Kelly, Doc Brown here tells me that you can change all this by listening to what Gideon Taylor has to say. Please listen to them. I don't want to be stuck in this project forever. Oh, I've got to go. Here comes Biff with another contract extension. Help us, young Kelly.
The thing is, the same story is going on with all of these other clients too. Some of them have made it to SaaS, but they had to leave behind crucial business process innovations in order to get there. Others haven't gone yet because they know they're not ready, but they still stopped improving PeopleSoft a long time ago. And so their users are stuck with garbage. It's just awful, and we gotta fix it.
That's terrible, Doc. Go ahead.
No, you're
What can
fine.
we do?
Well, you've got to teach them the truth. You've got to speak truth to power. You've got to let them know how to innovate while they're getting ready to go to cloud, and to take those innovations with them when they go. Help them understand the importance of an enterprise AI and a unified portal experience. That will help their users to transition successfully to the cloud and seamlessly when it's finally time.
We'll do our best.
You guys have to help me. Please, I don't want to turn into her.
It's gonna be okay, Kelly. We got plenty of hefty tools to help make the difference.
And don't worry, you remember that your future is what you make of it. So make a good one. I'm gonna go back to 2029 and see if it works. Give it your best, guys.
Phew! So let's talk about some common SaaS move problems and solutions. Digital transformation can't be accomplished just by replatforming. You need to practically apply transformative technology like business process automation, AI-driven chat, and a one-stop enterprise portal. And to move forward, You also need to retain the innovation you've already built. Modifying delivered on-prem systems is frowned upon, and getting rid of those hard-to-maintain modifications is one of the reasons organizations go to SaaS. It is easy to forget, though, that those mods were added for a reason, and many of them are high-efficiency custom solutions that add unique value to your enterprise. When you move to SaaS, those modifications no longer have a home. The work they did needs to be done, though, and while some are replaced by delivered SaaS functionality, many of the business processes that used to be serviced by mods revert to shadow systems, like spreadsheets and PDFs, emails, and paper. From an IT perspective, the system seems cleaner, but from a business perspective, important processes have become less effective. Building your custom innovations as bolt-ons to your on-prem systems is far cleaner and lower maintenance. But with a SaaS move, some bolt-ons will still revert to shadow systems. This can be especially painful because well-designed bolt-ons are highly efficient, and losing that efficiency hurts. One solution is to design enough time and resources in the SaaS project to convert your past innovations into the SaaS platform extension space. SaaS extensions are less flexible than bolt-ons, but they can provide custom functionality that is seamless with the delivered SaaS. This can, however, be a long and costly process. The best solution is to build your innovations with platform-agnostic tools, which we call bridge tools, that can both integrate with your on-prem system now and when you make your cloud move. Integrate with your SaaS platform. Rather than rebuilding the whole application, you just change the integration point. Bridge tech also allows you to keep innovating in your own on-prem system, even while planning or even while implementing a SaaS system. That helps keep your user's experience from becoming stale and ineffective. If you stop improving your on-prem system a year or so before your SaaS effort begins, then spend a year in selection and a couple of years implementing the SaaS, your users could easily go 5 years without their user experience being refreshed. And that is way too long. Bridge technologies solve other problems too, like the challenge of user experience fragmentation. The SaaS world is heavily siloed. Business users who used to log into 1 or 2 primary systems to do their jobs now may log into a dozen or more systems each day. And each of those systems has its own home page and navigation method. Most modern SaaS systems also provide a chat feature of some sort, but these chats naturally only service the silo they're in. Users end up with too many navigation schemes to learn and too many chatbots to talk to that don't know enough. The good news is that because bridge tools are not confined to one system, they can provide enterprise-wide functionality. For user experience tools like chat and one-stop portals, that means they can connect to multiple SaaS and even on-prem systems, giving the user one place to go to access all their important systems, and one place to interact conversationally with all those systems too.
Gideon Taylor's premier bridge tool is GTE Forms, our business process automation tool for PeopleSoft and the broader enterprise. GTE Forms traditionally lives in the bolt-on space for PeopleSoft, but it is also available for cloud and other non-PeopleSoft on-prem products. It is a low-code, no-code platform to build electronic forms, but it goes beyond that to build customer self-service apps very quickly, with business users being the main form builders rather than developers. Business users can put fields on pages, pre-populate those fields with data, and can also build conditional logic so that the form can branch. For example, if I choose different values on this form, the behavior branches and shows a different field on one condition than the other. Use the built-in workflow routing, also set up by a functional analyst, to take the form right to where it needs to go to gather approvals. GTE Forms has powerful features like pre-population to leverage system data, dynamic defaulting to choose the right values at the right time, saving your users from having to fill out fields that we already know the answer to. And conditional behavior is available at many levels. GTE forms includes powerful and flexible configuration-based approval routing, the ability to collect and manage document attachments, and most importantly, the ability to automatically update your core system. That's crucial because it prevents the inefficiency of data re-entry and drastically reduces the error rates. GTE Forms has been building solutions in the PeopleSoft bolt-on space for 20 years, and now it is fully cloud ready. As a full-fledged bridge tool, GTE Forms can generate bolt-on applications for PeopleSoft and extend to cloud-based systems. And when you move from your PeopleSoft system to the cloud, all you need to do is change the integration. Users will be able to use the exact same form and business process setup that you create today. Since we have a flux capacitor, we've gone into the future to give you a preview of what the next generation of GTE forms is going to look like. You'll see that we've got updated form elements, including never before seen features like radio buttons and multi-select, which will let you choose multiple values from a preset list and also add your own entries. We're doing all of this using Oracle's Redwood design and style sheet, so it's going to share a compatible look and feel with Oracle Fusion Cloud applications and the most recent version in People Tools.
Our next bridge tool is the IDA Digital Assistant, which provides enterprise-grade, AI-driven chat for your entire organization. IDA is highly accurate, much more accurate even than the AI you use in your kitchen at home, and has the power to integrate with any of the enterprise systems. You can actually produce authenticated information inside a chat session that you would otherwise have to log into your enterprise system to review. IDA leverages the incredible power of generative AI on multiple levels, letting you interact with your enterprise systems in ways that your newest generation of users is going to want and expect. It can even initiate and execute transactions that you would otherwise have to do inside the system. You actually don't want a chat to start out with generative AI because it can occasionally make mistakes. Instead, IDA's 3 levels of AI make sure the most important information is always right. The first is curated AI, when accuracy is most critical. IDA's only going to respond with the answers that you wrote. For other important topics, IDA can suggest answers at design time and get human approval before anyone sees those answers. Then, for the topics that are hard to prepare for, like suggestions on life-work balance or the most popular Disney princess, IDA can use generative AI to compose the answers on its own. You get full topic coverage at all levels while maintaining security, safety, and consistency for your most important data and answers. IDA has been a bridge tool from its inception. IDA can already service both on-premise applications and any of your cloud apps. We have many pre-delivered connectors to the most popular SaaS and on-prem systems.
Looking for a one-stop portal experience? WebUX is the underlying technology Gideon Taylor uses to provide the unified user experience you will need. Users want enterprise systems to be accessible all from one place. That user experience is critical to the success of your organization. We've recently done this with the state of Tennessee. What you're seeing here is a PeopleSoft system with a reimagined user interface, where users can access all enterprise software from one simple place. Portals were born to be in the bridge. It is a great way to give a unified experience and allow users to access all of their many systems from one place in a way that makes sense for their role.
Next up. Next up is robotic process automation. RPA is a technology that's exploding across the workforce. It is a platform-agnostic tool to let you automate user tasks. That means that RPA can let robots do your busy work and save you money. We partner with UiPath, the leading provider of RPA solutions. RPA is great for repetitive tasks like taking information out of a spreadsheet and quickly entering it into an ERP system, saving lots of manual data entry time and lots of data entry mistakes. Like these other technologies, RPA is born to be a powerful bridge tool and is able to automate business processes that stretch across multiple systems, whether those are cloud, on-prem, or desktop systems.
The whole point of moving to SaaS is to get out of the business of doing in-house technology and let you focus on your business. In order for that to really be successful, you need a trusted consulting partner. Gideon Taylor provides PeopleSoft services, including top-tier people, talent, and staffing services, along with managed projects. We provide services that you can put on your ERP on a predictable model, where we handle everything from development to support. Our growing cloud practice can help you assess, implement, integrate, and extend your Oracle Cloud apps and provide solutions that actually work in the real world. You should choose a consulting partner with vision who can help you transform now before your SaaS move. GT can also provide managed services to manage your on-prem system while you do your cloud move, and we can be your implementation partner to implement and extend your SaaS solution. Do you think it worked?
Marty, Jen,
Doc!
it worked. It worked. Kelly, it worked. Everything is better. Here, see?
You mean the future's back to where it should be?
Yep, I'm here. We did that.
Hey, yeah, Kelly, hello from the future. I'm so glad we listened to GT. Everything is going great. We went live on our SaaS platform a year ago, and we brought all our best tech solutions with us. Oh, Beth, that's the garbage. And that cardboard box should go in the recycle bin. Move it over, will ya?
Sorry, Miss Kelly, sir.
I've got to go. We're being honored at another Tech Innovation Award ceremony. You'll see me, or rather, you'll be me in 5 years. Lucky you.
Did it turn out like that for all of our clients?
Yes, for everyone. Those that are still on-prem, and those who are in transition, and the ones who've already made it to SaaS. All of them are using transformative technologies to move their businesses forward. And it's resulted in this amazing level of peace and happiness. There are puppies that are frolicking on their lawns. There are flying unicorns tracing rainbows through their skies.
Cool. That is so awesome that we've helped them all get back on the road to success.
Roads. Where they're going, they don't need roads.